This is Digital SAT Practice Test 2, Math Module 2, the hard module. If you get 17 or more correct in the first module, you'll get the quote-unquote hard module, and this is question 20. I will read and understand the question and answer choices. There are no answer choices on this one. Data set A consists of 10 positive integers. Integers are whole numbers like -1, 0, 1, 2, whole numbers. -36, positive 143, whatever, whole numbers. They are less than 60. They're positive, so these, in this case, they can't be the negative ones. They have to be less than 60, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 59. The list shown gives 9 of the integers from data set A. The mean of these 9 integers is 42. If the mean of data set A is an integer greater than 42, so the mean is an integer greater than 42. So it's got to be 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, whatever. The mean of all 10 has to be some integer greater than 42. It's going to be less than 60 because all the integers are less than 60. Well, this is just, it says, what is the value of the largest integer from data set A? Well, I've got to find that 10th integer first. And this is a job for Desmos. That's how it used to be on the old Superman. He'd say, this is a job for Desmos. Then his voice would get deeper. So I can type mean, and then unfortunately you can't copy and paste in Desmos in Blue Book, so I'm not going to do it here. I'm just typing in the numbers, being very careful that I get all the correct numbers, and I'm going to make sure that the mean of these 9 is going to be 42 like it says, and then 46 and 40, and the mean is indeed 42. And so now I'm going to add another number there. I'll just call it A, and I'll make it a slider. And it says they're all integers less than 60, so I'll just put 60 there. Or wait, actually I should put 59. That's integers less than 60. And now I want the mean to be an integer. What does it say again? The mean of these 9 integers, if the mean of data set A is an integer greater than 42. So I want an integer, a whole number, greater than 42. I have to make A so that the integer is greater than 42, the mean. Well, I stumbled upon it somehow. I got 43 there when A is 52. So if A is 52, and if I go any other bigger value of A, even integer values, the mean is not an integer anymore. So I just so happened to slide the slider real fast, and I stumbled on it. But there, when A is 52, no, I can't get it exactly. When A is 52, the mean is 43. That's an integer greater than 42. A is 52, and it is also the largest number in the data set. So the answer here, A, or this other, it's not asking for what that missing number is. It's actually asking for what is the largest integer from data set A. It just so happened to be that missing number that made the mean an integer greater than 42. So there it is, 52. I mean, what it could have been with the numbers, maybe this missing number had come out to be, let's say it came out to be 37. Well, then the largest integer from data set A would have been 46 in that case. So it would not have been the missing one. But it just so happened to be the missing one, 52. So that's the answer to this question, 52. And I did it in Desmos using the mean function in Desmos. You can either type it, you can go down to this keyboard and look at functions, and then go and find statistics. And it's got mean, median, minimum, max, the quartiles, etc. It doesn't have range because range is just the largest value minus the smallest value. I don't know if it has mode either. Let me see, does it have mode? Mode means whichever one appears the most times. If more than one appears the most times, then it's got multiple modes. And if none appear more than once, it's got no mode. But there is no mode in those functions. So you just have to look and see what the one that repeats the most. But anyway, this answer is 52.